Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Liftmaster garage door opener. First, let's look at how to clear old remotes and keypads. This is often called a soft reset. It is useful if you lost a remote, no longer want certain devices to have access, or simply want a fresh start. Find the Learn button on the motor unit. Press and hold the button for about 6 to 8 seconds. Keep holding it until the indicator light turns off. As soon as the light goes out, release the button. The opener's memory is now cleared. To confirm that the process worked, press one of the old remotes. The garage door should not respond. This confirms that all stored remotes and keypad codes have been removed. Now let's go through a full factory reset. This option is useful if you are moving to a new home, giving away the opener, or troubleshooting serious MyQ or Wi-Fi connection problems. Press and hold the Learn button until the LED light turns off, which usually takes about 6 seconds. Release the button. Immediately press and hold the Learn button again until the LED turns off a second time. Release it once more. Then repeat the same process a third time. After the third reset cycle, you may hear 3 quick beeps or see flashing lights. This indicates that all remotes, accessories, built-in gateway settings, and MyQ information have been erased from the system. Your Liftmaster garage door opener has now been fully reset and is ready to be set up again if needed. Thanks for watching.